How to log in into Haringey Council Tax Account. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel How to Log In. In this series of How to Log In tutorial, today I'll be teaching you guys how to log in into Haringey Council Tax Account. So let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, you have to make sure that you have a stable internet connection on your device. After that, open any browser you have on your device. For instance, I'll be using Safari application. Now search for the Haringey Council Tax Login on the search bar. As you can already see, I have already searched for it, and after searching, different websites and links will be appeared on your screen. Click on the first website that says Haringey Council. With that, you will be directed to this page. Now scroll down and under the My Account section, here you will see the green button that says Go to My Account. Tap on it. Wait for a while and again you will be directed to this page. Now scroll down and here you will see the two options, Register for My Account and Log into My Account option. Assuming you have already created an account, tap on the second option that says Log into My Account. Now finally, you need to enter your email address and password in order to log in into your account. And in case you have forgotten your password, simply tap on Forgotten Your Password option below the sign in. Enter all of your details and simply click on Sign In. And with that, you are good to go. In this very simple and easy process, you can log in into your Haringey Council Tax Account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.